In this video, I'll show you how you can connect a slicer to multiple pivot tables in Excel. So let's get started by creating our pivot table. So I'll create the first pivot table from this. Go to Insert and Pivot Table. From Range, I'll add a new sheet. Okay, then let's drag in the cells to the values section, and I want to put in the months in which the sales are coming in. So let's go to transaction dates, and here I don't want the date, I just want the months. Okay, so these are the various months, and I want to visualize this by the number of hours, or the hours that these sales are coming in. So I don't want that transaction time. I'll remove, I'll take this off, then I'll put the hours in the sections column. So these are the number of hours here. Let's create another pivot table by just copying and pasting this here. So I'll copy and paste. So I'll just paste, and you have another pivot table. Here I don't want the time. I want a product categories. So I'll bring that here, and that should come up. Okay, now let's go with the product type. So what to deal with, and okay, so the product type, I'll drop that in the columns as well. Oh, that is very long. So let me use the products category in the columns. So these are the various products categories you have. Okay, so now let's see how you can connect these two pivot tables with a slicer. But first of all, how do you even click the slicer? So let's go to click any of this, then go to pivot table analyze. Here, insert a slicer. You can insert a slicer here. Assuming I want to filter, I want to slice for the various store location. Okay, the various store location. I'll put a slicer here. So you have these store locations in here. Okay, so this slicer, I want to make it a bit to look a bit nicer. So let me change this, the style here. I'm going for this, so this is fine. Okay, then if I want to slice, yes, okay, here, even though this is changing, okay, this is changing, this pivot table is changing, but it's just responding to the click. It doesn't really change the numbers. So it's 816.7 here, 9535. Nothing is changing here, nothing is changing. Nothing is changing, but let's check this. So here it affects this. Over here it's 2370.6. Okay, when I click for a new location, it changes, and here too it changes as well. But here, if you check, you have 9535. When I check the new location, it doesn't change. It just responds to the click. That is it. So let's see how we can actually link the two together. That when you filter for location, you're able to see the breakdown of months for the product categories, and also the breakdown of months for the peak times that the sales are coming in. So here, I'll click this slicer, go to slicer and slicer settings. Sorry, let's go to reports connections. So okay, here I have two pivot tables here. Okay, pivot table 6 and pivot table 7. So let me now tick everything. Okay, so everything is ticked. Everything is ticked. So if I press OK, now whatever clicks I do should affect all the pivot tables. So let me click here, and now 815 for this location and 318. Let me go for another location. You see that everything is changing now. They are dynamic. Okay, so when I clear for all, everything is cleared. But this is how you can link a slicer to multiple pivot tables in Excel. Let's see how you can actually rename these pivot tables. So go to pivot table analyze here, pivot table 6 instead of pivot table 6. Let me see the name. So here, let's say peak hours, I will do peak hours, and here I'll click in here. Then here I'll say product product category, category. All right, so now this pivot table is named. Let's go here and see if that's taking effect in our slices. So report connection. You realize that you have the new names here and they all still connected. So that is how you can actually link your slicer to multiple pivots tables in Excel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.